Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. This is a 32-inch Panasonic LCD TV. Somebody installed old model Universal board in this TV 4 years before. Now this board is damaged due to lightning. So we are going to replace this Universal board with latest new model Universal board. Here all connections are made in sockets, but the sensor connections are different. See, while comparing with old and new model you can easily understand. Now we need to change connections as per the new board, so let's fix this board. See friends, here we fixed new board. Now let's turn on the TV and check picture. See, now picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully. Now we need put all screws back to the TV. See, finally now we need to enter into TV service mode for mirror settings and LVDS mapping. Press input 208 on remote. So here all work is done. So that's it, now we repaired the TV successfully. So that's it, hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.